Hi, my name is Curt Davis. I'm the Director of Marketing with Kuhn Krause. We're here in Bloomington, Illinois for the third annual National Strip-Tillage Conference. Most of the things that our product provides, the Gladiator really sets a new standard has set a new standard for the strip-till market. That customer who's looking for a product that requires very little to no daily maintenance, very easy to adjust in the field as conditions change for residue and soil type, really provides customers a lot of flexibility on the go to make those kind of adjustments and be productive in the field while they're there, not having to get the wrenches out and make adjustments to that machine, but be productive and keep moving and get acres done, especially after harvest, where time is normally limited before we get a freeze or a snow in the winter time. So a lot of folks want to get that work done as quickly as possible, and placing the fertilizer in a pretty short time frame. So that's something the Gladiator really provides. Yeah, we've introduced some new toolbar sizes, going up to 16 row 30-inch space machines, as well as a new toolbar line that goes all the way down to 4-row machines. So we provide customers a wide range flexibility as far as the size of their operations matched with their tractors, as well as the fertilizer systems that in conjunction with Montag, we're offering the new Gen 2 systems that offer dual rate application, variable rate at the same time. And the new framework, the new toolbars have a very unique hinge design that actually angles a little towards the tractor in the transport mode to give the operator much more control of that weight distribution as we're transporting from field to field. So it's a much safer type of implement too, as far as the way the hinge structure works to give more balance to the tractor. A couple of things that have been changing in the industry and customers are looking at is obviously the variable rate piece, the dual application of product to be used, their soil maps and fertility maps to really target certain areas in the field, whether it be more or less fertilizer to improve that fertility. Also, just residue management has been a big piece of that equation as to how to manage the residue. Obviously, look for a machine, advice to a customer would be to look for a machine that can handle the types of residue in a wide variety of situations that they deal with. And then another thing that's really entering a lot of minds of customers is cover crop. And how do we integrate cover crop with strip till to where one doesn't hurt the other, and we get a good symbiotic relationship between the cover crop that we're trying to grow to provide nutrients, help with moisture, help with erosion control, those types of things, and not be a detriment to the cash crop that we're trying to grow for the revenue of the farm. Well, being part of the Strip-Till Conference, we've been fortunate enough to be a sponsor every year, and we find that at this conference, there's no question about who you're talking to. The folks that are here are interested in strip-till. Yeah, there's a lot of different facets to it. Everybody's doing something a little bit different because they're operating their own farm, right? And so being part of the conference really gives us that first-hand opportunity to talk to customers, understand what their challenges are, and figure out how can we assist them in solving those challenges and provide them a solution, whether it be through with the equipment or the methodology of how they go about operating their strip-till practice on their farm. So really trying to solve problems, create solutions for those customers, and see what challenges they're dealing with that aren't being addressed at the same time. So in the next year or two, we can maybe provide some of those solutions.